Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you print out one of the Caveman Comics cartoon designs. And once you've done that, we can turn it into an airplane. We've got dotted lines to help us in creating these paper airplanes. So let's make the first fold. See right down the dotted line. We can bend it this way next if we want. Doesn't have to be in exact order. You could do this first if you wanted. Have to bend in the nose to make it fly just a little bit better. That's what we got so far. Come bend in again. Try to line up the wings. Doesn't have to be perfect though. Voila. Now, this design seems to fly a little faster. But you can make one little modification to it and it'll stay in the air a little longer and it'll kind of go around in circles. Just see right here, just carefully tear it. It's about where it reaches the wing. Stop right there. And then push it out like that. So if you wanted to kind of stay in the air a little longer, go around in circles, just go around in circles. Or if you want to go faster, a farther distance, you put this down, like so. And that's it.